How do you use a petition paper in a spell, ritual, or magical working? And what do you do with it afterwards? Let's talk about it. Hey beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Alice, aka Breathing Magic. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 ways you can use petition papers and tips that will help you choose the approach that works best for you. I'm also going to give you some examples along the way. And without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. If you're not familiar with petition papers, it's basically a piece of paper with your name and the command you wish to manifest written on it. And it's often used in spell work or spiritual practices. I like to think of it as a prayer or official request to the universe. If you want to know more about what they are, how they work, and how you can make one to attract something into your life or remove something from your life, you can go check out my step-by-step tutorial. I'll put a link to that video in a card up here and in the description. The other day, someone asked me what they should do with their petition paper. I thought about it and came up with 6 ideas. One of the easiest ways to use a petition paper is to add it as an extra ingredient or step to your spell or ritual. This piece of paper with your intention written on it not only clarifies your goal, but also focuses the energy of your ritual towards what you want to manifest. The second approach is also very popular. You can burn your petition paper. Fire is great for cleansing and releasing energy. Fire also gives you heat and speed. When you burn your petition paper, you're releasing your intention into the universe and at the same time letting go of any attachments or limiting beliefs about the outcome. You can toss your petition paper into a bonfire or burn it in a cauldron. Some people choose to bury their petition papers or the ashes of their petitions. When you bury your petition in a pot or somewhere in your garden, you're planting your intention as if it's a seed and giving it time and space to grow and gradually come to fruition. I know a lot of people like to plant actual seeds with their petitions during springtime or at the beginning of the year. And just a quick reminder, if you're going to take this approach, make sure you either own the property or have the permission of the owner. Another strategy is break and throw away. This approach works best for workings that help you remove something from your life. You can tear your petition paper into tiny bits and pieces and throw them in the trash. Some people like to use toilet paper for petitions like this. They simply flush them away when they're done. Hey, if you're still watching, let me know by leaving a unicorn emoji in the comments. And by the way, make sure you watch till the very end of this video, because I'll be sharing a bonus pro tip. You can also put your petition paper somewhere that's relevant to your intention. It'll act as a reminder and a point of focus. For example, if you're working to become more confident, you can stick your petition paper on your mirror. That way, when you look at yourself in the mirror every day, you're constantly prompting yourself to step into that highest, most confident version of yourself. Another example would be if you're doing a petition for attracting more money into your life. You can place your petition paper inside a money jar or in a money bowl. And just in case you want to learn how to make a money bowl, I do have a tutorial on that. I'll put the link to that video in a card up here and in the description box below. If you want to, you can put your petition paper in something you can carry around with you. There are many ways to go about this. You can put it inside your wallet, in a charm bag, in a locket, etc. When deciding on what to do with your petition paper, here are some things you might want to consider. What's your intention? What you do with the petition should serve a purpose. You should also think about the nature and background of the spell, ritual, or spiritual working. What do you feel makes the most sense? What do you feel will be the most powerful? You can also think about the environment or location. Is it allowed? I know some places don't allow the usage of fire because of fire hazard concerns. And are people going to see your petition? Are you okay with people seeing the petition paper? At the end of the day, your craft is your craft. Learn to listen to your intuition and trust your heart. Do what feels right to you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give me a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss those videos. And here's a pro tip. There's actually something you can do before you even start to make your petition papers to tap into your true potential and make your spells and rituals that much more powerful. You know how people always say, it's not about what you do, it's how you do what you do. Just imagine if you could quiet your mind and raise your vibration to get into an energetic state that matches your goals. How much more powerful could your manifestations be? The easiest way to do this is through affirmations and meditations. And guess what? I happen to have a meditation that uses the power of affirmations to help you channel the energy of the luckiest, most abundant version of yourself. I'll put the link to that video in the description. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Until then, live from your heart and be the magic you wish to see in this world. Bye!